In this video, we will see ecological succession, food chain, food web, and ecological pyramids. Ecological succession. Ecological succession is the process by which the ecosystems tend to change over a period of time. Two different types of succession are primary and secondary succession. Primary succession occurs in essentially lifeless areas or regions in which the soil is incapable of sustaining life as a result of factors such as lava flows, newly formed sand dunes, or rocks left from a retreating glacier. Secondary succession occurs in areas where a community that previously existed has been removed. It is typified by smaller scale disturbances that do not eliminate all life and nutrients from the environment. As an example, we can say for this ecological succession, a cleared or open area will be gradually converted into grassland, a shrubland, and finally a woodland and a forest. Food chain. It is the transfer of energy and nutrients through a succession of organisms through repeated process of eating and being eaten. Food chains are of three types: grazing food chain, parasitic food chain, and saprophytic or detritus food chain. Grazing food chain starts from green plants or autotrophs, and from them it goes to herbivores, that is primary consumers, to primary carnivores, that is secondary consumers, and then to secondary carnivores, that is tertiary consumers, and so on. Parasitic food chain goes from large organisms to smaller ones without outright killing as in the case of predator. In detritus food chain, the dead organic remains including the metabolic waste and exudates derived from grazing food chain. The energy contained in detritus is not lost in ecosystem as a whole. Rather, it serves as a source of energy for a group of organisms called detritivores and are separate from the grazing food chain. The food chain so formed is called detritus food chain. This figure shows a food chain. Next is food web. Many food chains exist in an ecosystem and they are not independent. A complex of interrelated food chains makes up a food web. If the linkages in the chains that make up the web of life are disrupted due to human activities that lead to the loss of extinction of species, then the web breaks down. Ecological pyramids. Each step of the food web is called a trophic level. Green plants occupy the first level, herbivores the second level, carnivores the third level, and secondary carnivores the fourth level. These trophic levels together form the ecological pyramid. The longer the food chain, the lesser is the energy available for the final members on the chain. The higher the steps in the ecological pyramid, the lower will be the number of individuals and the larger their size. Three types of ecological pyramids are pyramid of numbers, pyramid of biomass, and pyramid of energy. Pyramid of numbers. It depicts the number of individuals in producers and in different orders of consumers in an ecosystem. Pyramid of biomass. The living weights of the members of the food chain present at any one time form the pyramid of biomass of organisms. It indicates the total bulk of organisms or fixed energy present at one time. pyramid of energy. This depicts not only the amount of total energy utilized by the organisms at each trophic level of food chain, but more importantly, the actual role of various organisms in transfer of energy. Total energy is higher at the producer level. Flow of energy is unidirectional. So the system would collapse if the supply from primary source, that is the sun, is cut off. Thank you.